What's up, guys? So today we're going to be going over our Sites tab. One of the first things you're going to see when you're in Sites is funnels. Funnels, if you don't know what they are a condensed version of your website or a one-pager that is connected to your website. That it has a few different things you could do with it. Most people run discounts or offers or information gathering things. Like if you want to run an ad, you run the ad with the specific funnel page and not your whole website, because sometimes people can get a little confused when they get to a whole website that has 30 pages. So a funnel is usually just one page and then a thank you page after a form is submitted. For example, here's like a fitness trainer appointments funnel. I'll show you exactly what one of those look like. You put your logo up here. If you click get an appointment, a form or a calendar will pop up, and then your client would then make an appointment. So that gives you a little bit of an example. This is just a template. You can build on them, of course, but this is what a funnel would look like to give you a little bit of an idea. You can also run like discounts and like special promotions and things like that through those, so that again, people do not get confused by entering your entire website. Then you also have your website builder in here. You can build an entire website straight from our platform. That's right. You can do your entire website. If you want to do an add-on to your website, if you want to build a new website, we can host them and build them right here on our website. So you can click edit, go in here. You can actually take a look at what some of these templates look like. Chiropractor. Of course, you don't have to like take this template, but we actually have thousands of templates to pick from, but this is one of them. If you want to see what the website editor looks like, I'm going to go into that just a little bit. It is a drag and drop system. I think they're pretty easy to work with. You can add an element, drop a headline. You can delete things pretty quick. You can change the photos. So you could do background media, and that opens up your media library straight into the platform. You can drop in forms. You can drop in calendars. Select your calendar that you want to put here, and people will actually be able to click the live calendar and book a slot that is open on your calendar. If you so choose to put one of those on here, you can put many different elements: bullet lists, buttons, forms, blog posts. Blogs are amazing for SEO purposes. You can drop your live calendar here, maps. You can actually put your order, like a checkout page on here. Lots of cool things to do in here. If you have any questions on this in particular, you can absolutely shoot us a message and we'll help you out, or you can have us build your website completely for you. That is normally what people do. A couple other things that we have in here is our WordPress dashboard. So we directly integrate with WordPress. So if you have a WordPress website, not a problem. We can actually directly integrate it right here. And whenever you click that, you can, just like if you were on WordPress's website, it would be the same. You can actually go straight to your website editor. You can go to the admin page, all that good stuff right here. You also have your form builder in here. If you want to see what a form builder looks like, you can choose from a template. For instance, you want to do med spa, click a med spa. Let's do medical spa. And this is like a pre-built form that you can use this template. You can change the colors, change the photo, change the words, however you want, but it is a template to give you an idea. You can also do one from scratch and completely build it. You can also do your surveys in here, very similar format. Of course, with surveys, there are normally pages. So like, you answer a couple questions and then go to the next page, and then answer a couple questions, go to the next page. Your customizable chat widget is also going to be in here. Of course, you can edit your chat widget image. This is exactly what it would look like in the bottom right-hand corner of your website, similar to the way this looks like, but this is just a little help bar on the RYZE platform. This will be on your website. When you click this on a website, it's going to say, hey, how can we help? There's a couple of options that we have. Chat type, if you have a live chat, if you have a dedicated support team, you can absolutely have a live two-way conversation with clients if you so choose. We don't normally recommend that, as it gets a little expensive unless your business is big enough to do so. It's better to have it set as SMS or email chat. So basically what happens is whenever they fill this out, it goes into your inbox and you're able to reply to them from there. And this would also go to said person's phone. So whoever's logged into the Lead Connector app or RYZE app, the conversation will be automatically put there. And you can also have AI respond to many things after it scans your website and has information to reply to. You can change the colors in which is on the actual thing. So the chat widget colors here can be changed to your company colors if you so choose. And then you can actually take off our agency branding. So you can just turn this off and it will no longer have ours. It's very customizable. You can make it say whatever you want. You can say, hey, welcome back, or hey, can we help you, or anything like that. And then the thank you message you can also, so the acknowledgement setting is like the after. So thank you so much, or hey, one of our contact representatives will be with you shortly. Here, if this isn't fast enough, call us at this number. You can put any of that in here. This is a shortcut to your media, so any photos or videos you have in your media library, which we will get to later, you can actually go to here, and your URL redirects are here as well. You also have some website analytics, so how many page views did you get here, how many opt-ins, sales. So the page views are the ones that I just personally viewed, so that's why it's 2. And then how many people opted in on that website, so you have your actual analytics for specific things. So how many people went to websites, how many people went to funnels, and then which one did they go to. Really cool, you can actually change the dates in here as well, so that you have all of your information to make big boy decisions on your advertising budget, or if you need to make changes or anything like that. We also run A/B testing. If you're not familiar with what an A/B test is 50% of the time a link is clicked, it'll take them to one. 50% of the time the link is clicked, it'll take them to another. It's essentially the same website, but a few minor changes, and we actually are able to see how a person interacts with small changes throughout the website. For instance, if one website has a countdown timer for a sale, whereas the other does not, we can see how a customer interacts with them half the time, so that we can see which one is better for our analytics. So cool. Other than that, I believe that is everything that we should show. Also, you can put things in folders. So like if you have like a sale folder, you can put a bunch of your funnels into a particular sale folder, or offer folder, or employment folder. Like if you're running funnels for people that are looking to get employment, like you want to run like a hiring advertisement plan, then we can actually build a funnel for that as well. But cool, if you have any other questions, just let us know. Thank you so much and have a great day.